Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Earth Web or Google Earth Pro and signing in so your places save. Once done, switch the globe to moon mode using View right arrow switch to moon or the moon icon. This loads lunar imagery and databases. Make sure to enable core layers like surface, historical imagery, and moon nomenclature so you see terrain, dated photos, and official feature names. That immediate setup gets you into Lunar View and prepares the app to accept searches, measurements, and imported overlays. Now you explore and gather details. Use zoom, tilt, and rotate controls and reduce camera speed for precise framing. Search by named feature or enter lunar coordinates to jump to craters, maria, or historic landing sites. This saves time versus manual scanning. Import KML/KMZ files or add placemarks, paths, and polygons to mark areas of interest, and enable measurement tools to get distances and areas. Make sure to toggle imagery dates where available so you understand which mission captured each view. Finish by saving your work. Add items to My Places, export KML/KMZ, or record a tour to demonstrate a route. Once saved, share via link or export high-resolution images and video with the camera angle you set. This preserves context for others. If something fails, try reloading moon layers, confirm you aren't in offline mode, or update Google Earth to the latest version. These fixes resolve most missing imagery or layer problems and restore full lunar functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.